Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree here, and today's look is a Grinch inspired look. I did this look yesterday, so today is Wednesday. I did it yesterday, Tuesday, and I loved how it came out, and I just really had to film it and give it to you guys because honestly, yesterday was such a beat. Like, if you have me on Snapchat, you know I was beating the mess out of my face yesterday. Like, it was bomb. So I decided to come onto YouTube and film it for you guys, give you a rundown and a tutorial of how I achieved the look. So we're starting with the base, straight going in with it. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please watch the video fully on through to get the Grinch inspired look, and be sure to like if you do enjoy the video at the end of the video. So without any further comments, let's just go ahead and jump right on. Alright, so starting with my eyebrows, I'm going to be brushing them down and then sculpting them in place with my Ardell sculpting gel. This gel I got from Hush, and it's pretty much like a primer for the brows, and it sets them in place. So I just brush them and get them ready before I even like start applying my product. And the product we're using is the Absolute New York. It's the Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I got this at the local beauty supply store from school. Very cheap for like a good $2. And honestly, it's honestly better than how it's priced. Like, I live by this product whenever I don't have enough money to go and get something else that I usually use. But I'm just going to shape my brows and then you know, brush and shape, and then taking the Pro Concealer, I'm just going to underline the bottom portion of my brows like I always do. A very detailed brow tutorial will be coming very soon. Just for today, you already know how I do my brows, so yeah. So this brush that I'm using is the Flawless Concealer Brush from e.l.f. It's literally like $3, just the same amount as any of e.l.f.'s products. But I use this brush to wipe a little bit more off my brow, like concealer wise, and then I take my finger and just wipe away the excess, and then, you know, just clean up underneath my brows. And this brush is really soft and it's really nice. If you do heavy concealer, oh my gosh, it will totally just take away all the concealer, like, girl. So now we're going to go in with the Luscious Eye Primer. This is in the shade Nude. My mom got it from one of her BoxyCharm boxes. I don't know which month, but this primer is really good. You always want to prime your eyes before you start doing shadows, so that can give you a nice pop in the color, whatever you use. And you know, you don't have to use a lot, but you know, depending on how much makeup you're going to use, I would use as much as I'm using right now. And I'm just going to take my translucent powder from Clinique and just lightly put some on so that way it sets and stays in place. This is where the fun starts. So we're going to take the J.Cat Hollywood palette, and I'm taking the yellow shade that's in the palette, and I'm going to be placing it real close to my eyebrow, as you see here. This color will act as our transitioning color. The yellow is, you know, the Grinch's yellow teeth. So, you know, you want to put that color in there, and I'm putting it very close to my eyebrow, because it is going to be our transitioning color. So yeah. Then following, you're going to take the Santa Monica palette, and it's this really pretty light green shade in there, and that's going to be one of the greens that we'll be using. You're just going to place it directly underneath the yellow and just very blend it out very nicely. This is going to be, like I said, one of the few greens that we're going to be using today. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Jaclyn, and we're gonna take Enchanted, and I'm doing a halo look for this Grinch look. So the dark green Enchanted color that's in the palette, you're gonna place it right on the crease, and then you're gonna blend it out with my Morphe brush. I think it's E14, I believe, and then you're gonna build that color in as you blend in and blend out. And I'm switching between brushes, so I'm switching between my fluffy blending brush and a very detailed brush. Again, this is going to be a halo look. I mean, y'all, like, I was really feeling myself when I was blending all three of these colors together. And so yeah. As you see, I'm taking the brush and then I'm also lightly blending in from the top to the bottom. And I mean, girl, like, it's so bomb. And so I'm going to be flipping in and out, as I said before. And, just blend all three colors, like, gradually. Like, start with the halo and then start blending gradually between the three colors. Like, it's going to look real good. So going in with my concealer, this is where we're going to cut our halo in half, and it's going to be more like a half moon type deal thingy, but either way, it's a cut crease halo look, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just really trying to take my time with this, but I had to edit so it looks like I'm a pro, but I'm not. But you don't have to really fill in the whole way, just feeling like a little more than half. So once you're finished coloring in with your concealer, you don't have to use a lot either. So once you're done filling that in, you're gonna take your beauty blender and just blend it a little bit, and it's go back in with the Enchanted green color and just fill in the top of it, and then you're gonna blend it out just a little bit, because it is a halo. So with this flat packing brush, I'm going to wet it a bit and then go in with the Nubian 2 palette in the shade Egypt, and girl, oh my god. And so I'm just going to fill in that little crease that I made and just color it in very neatly, and then just pack and pack and pack, because girl, look at that joint shimmer. Oh my god. Then going back in with Enchanted, I'm just gonna color the outer portion of my eye, and kind of not line it, but you know what I mean, like, you see what I'm doing. So yeah, just blend it out just a titch and make it real cute, girl. Now, this part is optional if you choose. If you're neat, you could use tape, or you could do what I'm doing and just use concealer to clean it up. Most of the time I use tape, but I didn't have any on me today, so I just had to clean it up. But I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner from Oakland. And I don't use eyeliner so much, so like, this is like an accomplishment when it comes out real sharp, like, girl. So I'm going in with the Mineral Infused Primer by e.l.f. and I'm just gonna, prepare my face for my foundation. And I'm going in with the Maybelline FitMe Foundation 340 Cappuccino, you already know. And I'm mixing my setting spray with that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and begin the process of applying the foundation. And you guys know I already use damp beauty blenders to blend in my foundation. So that's always a plus to just use a damp beauty blender, so that way the makeup spreads and all that jazz. Okay, so this is like my first time contouring, but I'm going to be taking one of the brown shades in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just putting it on my cheek. But now we're gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner with these Sunset Boulevard SB7, and the lashes are from MayQueen in the style Garnet. And girl, these lashes, okay, so you know how the Grinch has like those crazy looking whiskers on his face? So just imagine the whiskers but on your eyes. Like that's the whiskers right there. Okay, and then you're gonna take your superhero mascara from It Cosmetics and just do the under eyes, and that's it. So now I'm going to be taking the darker palette from e.l.f. of blushes, and I'm just going to lightly blush, and I'm going to go back in with SB7 and highlight my cheekbones and my eyebrow bone. And I mean, this shade is just really loved. Like, oh, it's so beautiful. So here comes the fun part. So we are taking NYX Lingerie Corset and Beauty Mark, and I have to go in with Beauty Mark first. And I'm just going to fill that in, and then go in with Corset and place it on top. And then with my Maybelline lip liner in the shade Brown, I'm going to just outline my lips and not fully overdrawn the top of my lips, but you are going to overline just a little bit to give your lips a little mwah, like a little plump. So yeah. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my highlighter, and then I'm just going to highlight my Cupid's bow, and then that's it, girl. Like, you're done. Like, you're done. You know, gotta get yourself cute, gotta look, ooh, ah, you know, like, that's it. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope that you all really enjoyed it, because I know I did for a fact. Like, I enjoyed doing this look for you all. So I actually have another okay, you know, let's look on my cheek. I actually have another Christmas look coming out, but this more is on the Santa side of things, so be on the lookout for that later this month. And like I said in the beginning, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to hit the like button, and also hit the bell for notifications from whenever I'm posting, because yeah. I'm sorry, I'm just really like, I can't stop looking at it. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get more notifications about when I'm posting, and follow me on other social media platforms. They will be in my description box below, as well as other products that I've been using in this video. So y'all, like, this looks so good. Like, for this to be my first halo look, like, I'm so bomb. Like, I'm so happy about it. But anyways, I will see you all in the next video, and I will see you all later.